Assalamu alaikum everyone, and the market is looking a little bit cold, and we're looking to cool down a little bit for Bitcoin at the moment. You've actually pumped up and you nearly met the technical target that we talked about on a daily time frame. You know, sometimes they just don't go to the main target, and that's pretty obvious. They just don't take it to the main target. Now today's Monday. I don't know if there's a little bit of hope to move higher, so we're going to talk about it. Now let me hide the EMAs and let's look at the trend line at the moment. I just want to remove one of that trend line right there, and let's extend this on the left right here. Now there's a little bit of this pattern that I'm looking for. Let me just remove all the drawings at the moment. And you first of all, do you remember this W right there? Break up, came down for the back test. You didn't actually touch the target, which is 21,734. You actually went all the way up to 21,400, just $300 short of the main technical target. Now the question really is because you do have a little bit of a support down here. So let me show you that support. This support right here is actually a solid one, because if you look at it that way, you broke out of it, came down. So you do have like 4 rejection or 5 interaction right there, and you came down like this. You broke up, make a bullish closing, which is a good sign, and then you came down, and you can see that you're really back testing. You're holding it as level of support right now. So if I dive into the 4-hour time frame, let's see if you're going to actually hold it or not. Yeah, on the 4-hour time frame, you do have 8 minutes left to close the candle. So if unfortunately the candle is kind of like closing below the line, which is not a good sign, right? Which is not a good sign. Now if all I want to say is that, you see, these 2 candlesticks combined is known as bullish harami candlestick, and this is made near the support line. One can even say that, hey, the support is a little bit like this. Okay, I'm just gonna adjust the support a little bit. Yeah, like that. So what I can say is that put a stop loss down to 20,554, because there probably could be chances of maybe going back up from here to 21,700, because you didn't really meet the target. That's the target right there, or who knows, this can actually be the final target right there. So there's a little bit of confusion. If someone needs a solution to this one, maybe just put a stop loss down here, and trade that bullish harami next to that support level, if it does make sense, because that looks good to me. And the EMAs as well, if you look at the EMAs, we're bouncing off the 55, so that's pretty solid. Yeah, that's pretty solid support right now that you have. So I cannot really say you're gonna go down. So if you get lucky, you get lucky. That could be a nice trading opportunity. Like you lose 0.9%, and then you gain like 4.62%. That sounds like a scalping idea right there. Of course, if you know how to trade, you can take that, but I'm not gonna do it. I don't feel like taking it, because the charts to me looks like they want to cool down. I'm looking at altcoins right now. The altcoins are looking exhausted and whatnot. Bitcoin also looks like it wants to make a bullish cross right there with the EMA. So let's see what happens. You just popped out of it, coming back. You're holding the 10, you're holding the 4-hour time frame, you're holding the daily as well. So that's a big level of support right now. So you don't want to come down to 20,500. Otherwise, you're going to be looking to go all the way down to 20,100. But this is just short ranges. Altcoins looking good. If you get a good opportunity with the altcoins as well, then you can actually go on and trade the altcoin. Now the best scenario for me to trade is to go above 20,000 or maybe 22,000, break this level, come back for the retest, and this is where I might consider buying or trading a little bit to sell it to 26,000. Okay, now I'm not bothered if I miss this small range, but I'm not gonna miss this one right here. That looks way more better than trading this one right here. But for scalpers, I think it's an amazing opportunity for Bitcoin as well. And that's it. I'm gonna see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.